The concept of the third eye is deeply rooted in spirituality and consciousness awakening. It's that mystical place between your eyebrows that's said to hold the power to unlock higher states of awareness, intuition, and psychic abilities. For centuries, spiritual seekers have sought to awaken their third eye, believing it to be the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe. One of the biggest misconceptions about the third eye is that it's just a myth, a figurative concept with no real-world implications. But the truth is, the third eye is a very real, tangible aspect of our physiology. It's connected to the pineal gland, a small endocrine gland in the brain that produces melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycles. The third eye is also linked to our intuition, our emotions, and our ability to perceive the world around us. Another common misconception is that unlocking the third eye is a quick fix process. People think that if they just meditate for a few minutes a day or eat a certain type of food, they'll instantly tap into higher states of consciousness. But the truth is, awakening the third eye takes time, patience, and dedication. It requires a deep commitment to spiritual growth, self-awareness, and personal transformation. Many people who try to unlock their third eye also struggle with feelings of fear, anxiety, and self-doubt. They wonder if they're doing it right, if they're good enough, or if they're worthy of accessing higher states of consciousness. But the truth is, these feelings are just a natural part of the process. They're a sign that you're pushing past your comfort zone, that you're willing to confront your deepest fears and limitations. Most people who try to unlock their third eye also underestimate the power of their own minds. They think that if they just visualize a certain outcome, or if they repeat a certain mantra, they'll magically tap into higher states of consciousness. But the truth is, the third eye is a highly intuitive, highly sensitive aspect of our being. It requires a deep level of trust, faith, and surrender to tap into its full potential. There are many techniques, practices, and lifestyle changes that can help you unlock your third eye. Meditation is one of the most powerful tools, as it allows you to quiet the mind, focus your attention, and tap into higher states of consciousness. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and other essential nutrients can also help support the health of your pineal gland. And making conscious lifestyle changes, such as getting enough sleep, reducing stress, and practicing gratitude, can also help you align with the energy of your third eye. Science has also shown that the third eye is a highly sensitive aspect of our physiology. Studies have demonstrated that the pineal gland is capable of detecting subtle changes in the electromagnetic field, and that it plays a key role in regulating our circadian rhythms. This means that when we're in tune with our third eye, we're more attuned to the natural world, more connected to the rhythms of the earth and the universe. One of the most crucial insights about unlocking the third eye is that it's not just about achieving some kind of mystical state or accessing higher dimensions. It's about becoming a more whole, more integrated, more authentic version of yourself. It's about embracing your shadow, your fears, and your limitations, and allowing yourself to be transformed by the power of your own consciousness. When we're not in tune with our third eye, we can feel lost, disconnected, and uncertain. We can feel like we're stuck in a rut, like we're not living up to our full potential. But when we're connected to our third eye, we feel more grounded, more centered, more at peace. We feel like we're living in alignment with our deepest values and desires. In unlocking the third eye, what many people overlook or are unaware of is the importance of balance and integration. They think that if they just focus on the spiritual, they'll automatically become more awakened, more enlightened. But the truth is, spiritual growth requires a deep level of integration with the physical, emotional, and mental aspects of our being. It requires a willingness to confront our shadow, to face our fears, and to embrace our limitations. The key to unlocking the third eye is not to try to force it open, but to allow it to unfold naturally, organically, and authentically. It's not to try to control the process, but to surrender to it, to trust in the power of your own consciousness to guide you. And it's not to seek some kind of external validation or recognition, but to trust in the wisdom of your own heart, your own intuition, and your own inner guidance. In essence, the third eye is not just some mystical concept or spiritual goal. It's a symbol of our deepest humanity, our highest potential, and our most authentic selves. So, thanks for joining me on this journey into the hidden truths about unlocking your third eye. Kindly subscribe for more amazing contents.